Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and I'm gonna show you how to reset all security settings on this device. So, firstly, open the control panel and open setup panel. Then scroll down and find here network setup. Then scroll down again and find here security. Open security settings and just click reset security. Click yes and wait a while. As you can see, security has been reset, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.